Hello viewers, here is an SMC 6-inch 2-speed fan, model number being TF6, and according to the reflective informations tag, it pulls 0.26 amps at 120 volts, and it was unfortunately made in China. And there is no UL date sticker on here, but I suspect this dates back to sometime in the 90s. This was sent in by the H, or the letter H, or the XY spade. So thanks again for sending this over. I really like these fans. I have a clip version of this, and just like the Lasco 2002W, it's a very quiet, very powerful fan, and they seem to be made relatively well. You know, unlike the oscillation models, there was no recall on these because there was no moving parts, so the wires were fine. And they seem to be pretty reliable. They're not too rare yet. They're getting there, but they're not too rare yet, so they must stand the test of time relatively well. Ironically enough, the tilt mechanism on this is not standing the test of time. There we go. The blade is similar to the blade that Lasco used. It's very deep pitch and it's very wide, so it catches a lot of air while turning slowly, you know, versus something that was narrow and thin like all this stuff today. It's got to go real quick to move the air. This goes slower to move a higher volume of air, which is, I think, is superior because it's quieter. It's got the little SMC logo on there, same as what you would see on the bigger models like the TH12, for instance. It's pretty much the same thing. I know this is TF and not TH, but compared to the TH series, it's pretty much the same model in a different size. I have a lot of nostalgia to these fans. This was my grandfather's unit. I grew up with that one. It's been around for as long as I can remember. I'm pretty sure he bought it new. So that one I've been around most of my life. And now I have this one. It's in pretty decent condition. It's a little bit dirty. Some sticky tape residue or something at the top. It looks like you might have cleaned it up. The guard could be repainted, but other than that, it's pretty good. The cord is not put in there correctly because this is where the string relief would have been originally, so it must have been put in a different spot. He must have serviced it. Yeah, I don't know something's not quite right about the way that was reconnected, so we'll have to take a look at that. But otherwise, it looks pretty good. Yeah, maybe it's the late 90s, because it is new enough to have a polarized plug. This is TH12 that I have. That does have a polarized plug, and that's a late 90s model. So probably mid to late 90s I would put this at. These are pretty popular in Canada under the Super name instead of SMC. As far as I know, it's an identical product with a different name on it. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this thing up and see how it runs. We're only testing with 119.8 volts today. It's kind of low. The one thing I don't like about these is I find this dial is kind of difficult to manipulate. But other than that, it's pretty much a flawless fan. Here's the low. And of course you can't tell because the furnace is running, but it's very quiet. And it is plenty strong. It's a nice steady stream. And it travels too. And that's just on the low. I'm 2 or 3 feet back, 4 or 5 feet now, and I can still feel a draft. You know what's interesting about this fan is that when you get further away from it, the air kind of spreads out and it feels more like a 12-inch fan. You know, the air stream isn't narrow, it's very wide. So it's a very effective fan. It is pulling 14 watts, 0.18 amps, and it's 0.67 power factor, so it's going to be a shaded pole motor, probably the C-frame type. The blade is in pretty much perfect balance. I don't feel any kind of vibrations from it. So that could be why these are lasting, because the blades are in good balance. You know, a good balanced blade is extremely important for the longevity of a fan. Okay, let's progress to the high. I'm really struggling to change the speed. We get a little bit of noise on high. You can certainly hear it now, but it's whipping out the air. That is a strong 6-inch fan. Yeah, I'm about, let's see, maybe 6 feet away from it now, and it's still a very prominent breeze, and it feels like it's coming from a 12-inch fan or a 16-inch fan. It's not concentrated like some of these are. A little bit of something, some kind of rattle in there. Probably needs new thrust washers or something. On high, it's taking 0.23 amps, 18 watts, and power factor of 0.65, which is pretty typical for a shaded pole motor. Yeah, it's definitely got a little bit of a bearing rattle to it, so probably just need new thrust washers. That's easy to fix that. Spin down is pretty good. So there we go. It's a neat little fan, great performance, and once we get that bearing rattle fixed, should be good to go for many years.